Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about how 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandit Hindus were thrown out by Muslims from their own country of India, not any country like Middle East or Southeast or West, in their own country of India, and from their own homes in Kashmir. And these 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandit Hindus lost their homes, lands, and everything except few things which they can carry along with them. And how these Muslims in Kashmir looted everything belonged to Kashmiri Pandit Hindus and distributed the loot afterwards in among themselves. In this video, I am going to tell you all about how Kashmiri Pandit Hindus, 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandit Hindus, were thrown out by Muslims in Kashmir from their own homes in Kashmir, which is in India, not in any Middle East country or Southeast or West country. In our country, in our own country, India, from their own country, they were thrown out like anything. And these 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandit Hindus lost their homes, lands, and everything belonged to them except few things which they can carry along with them. And how these Muslims in Kashmir looted everything belonged to Kashmiri Pandit Hindus and distributed the loot afterwards in among themselves. And during these exodus of Kashmiri Pandit Hindus time, these Muslims promised themselves, they gathered in mosques and many open places, and they promised themselves that not to buy any properties of Kashmiri Pandit Hindus, so that they will get all things of them free. They have made this law among themselves that they promised themselves that they will not and they should not buy anything from these Kashmiri Pandit Hindus while their exodus is happening in Kashmir, and not to buy any properties of Kashmiri Pandit Hindus, so that they will get all things free and they can loot everything of the Kashmiri Pandit Hindus. Muslims highly disgust Hindus and they treat Hindus as enemies in Kashmir. You can see that in Pakistan and in Bangladesh also, they do not mix with Hindus and they highly disgust Hindus and they treat Hindus as enemies, and they always see Hindus as with contempt. There are large number of mosques are there in Kashmir. After Muslim prayers in these mosques, lakhs of Muslims holding Pakistan flags shout on streets and do all kinds of raids, threats in Kashmir. They have did all these things during exodus of Kashmiri Pandit Hindus. These Muslims, some of the Muslims militants go and kill Hindus with guns. Like that, they have killed around 2000 Kashmiri Pandit Hindus, and they created a high level fear in Kashmiri Pandit Hindus because of killing 2000 Kashmiri Pandit Hindus with guns. This Kashmiri Pandit Hindus exodus is happened mainly between 1989 and 1990. In January 1990, main exodus has happened, and the stupid Rajiv Gandhi and stupid VP Singh were the prime ministers of this country, and they didn't do anything. They didn't send any army or other army, even though we have large number of army people in this country. They did not go to Kashmir and help the Hindus there. In the name of secularism, they are fooling Hindus and they are destroying Hindus like this. Another fellow, this so-called fellow is Farooq Abdullah is there. He was CM then during the exodus of Kashmiri Pandit Hindus. And after this exodus, only governor and president rule happened in Kashmir for 6 years. these Kashmiri Pandit Hindus, they lost all their homes, their lands, and only got few things which they can take. In Udhampur area in Jammu, and some areas in Jammu, in some areas in Delhi, they made some tents and they have lived there because of the heat in Delhi and in other places. Around 60,000 of them, 60,000 of Kashmiri Pandit Hindus died due to heat because of living in tents, and they don't form any vote bank. Because of that, no politician had gone to them and asked them of anything of about their problems. Because of that, no politician care about Kashmiri Pandit Hindus. Because of that, they have lived the tents for tens of years continuously, and because of the heat in Delhi and other places, 60,000, more than 60,000 of Kashmiri Pandit Hindus have died. Horrible things happened to 5 lakh Kashmiri Hindu Pandits in Kashmir and in other places, and all of them became refugees in their own country because of Muslims, and no media or no Amnesty International or no international media shown or supported this Kashmiri Pandits issue. There was no uproar or no international media has gone to them, no amnesty has gone to them, and no one has no media has supported Kashmiri Pandit Hindus in India and in foreign countries. We should think that same fate happened to Hindus if Hindus don't wake up and be active position in all areas. Same fate can happen to Hindus in other parts of the country of India and in the world if they don't united and act, and they have to take the arms and do violence after Samadhana Beda Danda. If Samadhana Beda Danda fails, they have to do violence in order to stop these Rakshasas doing high level horrible things in the society. In this Kashmiri Pandit Hindu exodus, around 2000 were killed in Kashmir, and the 5 lakh people were 5 lakh Kashmiri Pandit Hindus were thrown out from their homes and from their own motherland. Same things like horrible things happened to Sindhi community in Karachi in Pakistan, and Kashmiri Pandits in Kashmir Valley, and ASEAN immigrants in Uganda. Even now, these Muslims in Kashmir, they are still doing large number of meetings with lakhs of people and shouting slogans against India and carrying the Pakistani flags and putting only Urdu posters in order to not to be understood by other religious people. They are putting only Urdu posters like that. This Pakistan is continuously threatening India in Kashmir issue, in internet and in the UN and all other things. this is high level horrible thing happened in India. 5 lakh Kashmiri Hindu Pandits were thrown out from their homes, from their motherland, from their in India. Even in India, these things are happening. When something happened in the world, people will react and do their help. And when Gujarat Bhukamp happened, so many people go there and helped them. And in Kosovo war and Kosovo Bhukamp happened, so many people went there and helped them. But nobody go there and helped Kashmiri Pandits and solved their problems. They are rotting in the tents for more than 30 years. For more than 30 years, they have rotted in tents, and no Amnesty International, no Red Cross, no international institution have gone to them, and no media give attention to them. And like that, they have rotted on these tents because they don't form an vote banks. Because of that, no politician has gone to them, and government also didn't give voting rights to these Kashmiri Pandits. Like that, they have suffered horrible things because of these things, because of Muslims and the disunity of Hindus. Like that, same thing can happen to anybody, and we should be awake all the time. And Hindus must be united at any cost. Hindus in the world and Hindus in India should be united at any cost. And around 98% media in India is against Hindus, and these media is supported by Muslims, funded by Muslims from foreign countries, and Christians from foreign countries, and Muslims from India are funding these medias. And because of that, they are mostly more than 90% are anti-Hindu. Because of that, Hindus should be united and solve their problems at any cost. Jai Gurudev. I will tell further details about Kashmiri Pandits in next videos. Jai Gurudev.